Abavame ukuphumelela empini isikhathi esiningi yilaba bathi beyilwa bengayeki ukuthatha izifundo ezivelayo isikhathi impi ibambene. Uma uzolwa nje impi wena ukhohlwe ulibele ukujikijela umkhonto noma ugwaze ngomkhonto awuyifundi kodwa impi oyilwayo ukuthi ishintsha kuphi ithatha maphi amakhona lokuthi uyi-political discourse analysis ebheka ushintsho lwenzeka ngokwezikhathi nanokuyiphatha kwabantu abahlukahlukene abayingxenye yempi. Ngeke uyiwine leyo mpi. So-ke ngiyakuhlaziya lokhu kwi-DA. Ngiyakuhlaziya kwi-DA into engiyibonayo ngakho. Kuya-investa kuma-young political minds. Uma ungaba-check-a kahle, yabo labo minister laba, ngemuva kwabo, they young, fresh, active political minds who can put their hands on the desktop, who can research, who can well write speeches, and who can, who can stay awake for 12 hours not sleeping, 24 hours not sleeping. Tshela ukuthini, DA ilungiselela ikusasa. DA ikusasa izoproduce ama-politicians ongeke ucompete nawo even in the National Assembly ngoba they will know all legislative frameworks. They will know all the arts of war. They will know how to present a case in serious platforms. They will know how to posture in society. And not only that, the other military wings that they have, that they're hiding. Uyababona lapha na ku-FF Plus ukuthi abafana bakhona baqeqeshwa kweze military. Ingane zalapha ishaya itarget igijima kanti amabholi ithi itarget shqwi khona avele bethi qhwi indizi yaphezulu ngathi sivalo moya ubuka bese kuyilanda kuthi but okay yimi njalo leya target la ngilomnyama leya target cabanga ke mina lona ngisho ucwepheke ngimkhulumi ngakho omfana ngangithula kumbeke phansi uthi umbuzo nenzani nini investor kuma young political minds noma sibhizi thina sibadala siyakhukhumala siyagweva uthi ingane engangeni ithina efese ngene sigweva nama-titles athize amabhunu athatha i-uniform leyabo lewukhakhe ayinika ingane encane esanda kuzala yomfana ayifaka concentration camp ihambe iqeqeshwe idiscipline yakamilitary ifundiswe nge-art of war bese ifundiswe ngokuthi ubani enemy iphuma lapha iclear ukuthi ubani enemy. So njani thina bafowethu siyayidudula lezi ingane siyagweva sithi yezi sithi zasingekho emzabalazweni kwayathini umbuzo uthi uma ibhixana manje impi sizoyilwa thina sesigugile sinje. As part of political discourse analysis sibheka izinto ezinjengokuthi nje bangathi sibonele siyakhumbula i-EFF ngekhathi kaMsholozi yayingqengqezela lapha eParliament yayingamemezeli nomuntu phansi ikuhlaza cwele ithuka idemand izinto manje ayikusasa kodwa manje ibuka ke more quiet and calm. Ilapho-ke political discourse analysis why they are behaving like this now. Uma ngathiwa iyabhixana impi either militarily or politically, how would they posture? So the changes in posturing or the changes in tendencies to demonstrate certain views in a particular way, those changes need to be analyzed politically for you to understand what is the current balance of forces and the probabilities moving forward. Because if umuntu got attacked for a very same cause, but over time lo muntu useyayeka manje ukuthetha, you need to find out why. Why all of a sudden manje bengabi that aggressive ANC kodwa mawuqhathanisa nekhathi zikaZuma babengqengqezela. Political discourse analysis to know how the shift of power happens, the balance of forces happens. Again, ke lo leyo yaniphathisa nje masosha kaMsholozi ukuthi ibuyekezeni nale ukuthi sibone sanda isibalo sabantu abakuthola oqala into engayinotisayo isibalo sabantu abakubona ku-easier uku-attack amanye ama-comrades besiya ngokukhulakhula ngithi mina ngababaza kwenye amavidiyo kuphela. Isibalo sabantu abakubona ku-easy attack amanye ama-comrades siya ngokukhula. That was part of political analysis. Kushintshile-ke manje. Isibalo sabantu who get excited by attacking other MK comrades, particularly those in leadership, is increasing. Baya ngokwanda impela ngendlela ethusayo abantu abakuthola kwi-exciting ukuhlasela i-leadership yomkhonto, graduating from abakuthola ku-easy ukuhlasela ama-members in leadership. Manje they don't only find it easy, they also find it very exciting to attack other prominent comrades in the MK party. You must do your political discourse analysis, because that will directly influence the balance of forces as we go forward, internally and externally.